Welcome back to 4th grade Math Corner. Today's math is June 4th. We are just starting our pink SBA practice. These get, if you've noticed, they've gotten a little more difficult, and pink is the most difficult. And we're doing just 2 of them today, 40 through 41. We're going to do number 40, solving multiplicative comparison problems with a table, and 41, word multiplicative comparisons within 100. Notice at the bottom, you're going to post screenshots of your 5 completed if doing online, or you can use the template we added. And the template, actually the video will be there when you guys have it, but the template is there that you could load into Notability. Remember, it changed from 10 to 5 with the pink because they're going to take you a little longer to solve. So let's get started. Let's get started. I'm going to pull up my notepad. Oh, it won't let me split screen. Okay. Oh, I'm done. Okay, there it goes. So I gotta go into the website before I split screen. Now, will it let me? There it goes. I need a new note. I'm going to use my drawing tools. Okay. So, notice this is the worksheet, so it doesn't have the one at a time. It's the worksheet no matter where you go. So the problem shows the customers. An arcade had the table below shows the customers an arcade had leading up to the weekend. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They had 128 customers on Tuesday, and they had 191, so more on Wednesday. And then it went the least on Thursday, 123. And then shot way high on Friday, 197 customers. So that's just information. Over the weekend, they had 7 times as many customers as they did before in the previous 4 days. How many more customers did they have over the weekend than they had in the previous 4 days? So they had, let me see. Let's think about this. I think I'm going to actually send this to Notability so that I can write on it. All right, now, whoops. I'm going to highlight. So, over the weekend, they had 7 times as many customers as they did before in the previous 4 days. And then my question is, how many more customers did they have over the weekend? So, I need to find out how many they had over the weekend, and it's 7 times more than the 4 days. So 7 times more than these all together. So let's add them up. I'm going to keep them this way so I can add them. I'll just zoom in. I know that 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So that equals 19. I regroup my 1. 9 plus 9 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I like to group my bigger numbers, if you haven't noticed. 2, or I could do all the ones, would be 4, and 5, 6. 639 customers in the previous 4 days, but then they had 7 times that amount. So I could go 600 plus 3 tens plus 9 times 7. I know these are going to be 2 zeros. 7, 14, 21, 24, 35, 42. 7 times 3, I forgot my 0, is 21. And 7 times 9 is 63. So I'm going to add those up. 3, 7, 4, 4,473. Now I want to know if that answers my question. How many more customers did they have over the weekend? Oh, I need to still do another step. I need to subtract. So I'm going to go 4,473 minus the 639. So I need to regroup. Oh, and I can't do 4. That's going to have to be a, whoops, not a 3. That's going to have to be a 14 and regroup from there, and that'll be a 3. So now I can subtract 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And 3 minus nothing is 3. So my answer is 3,834. And I can go to the next page and I can check 3,834. Yep, and the total here was 639. You can always go to the answer key and check. Please do the math, though. It's really important that you can figure out these problems. Notice you only have 4 more problems to do because there's only 4 on this worksheet, or 3 more problems to do. If I go back, oh, where'd my stuff? There it goes. The next one, number 41, are multiplicative comparison word problems, not with a table. So let me open my, oh no. There we go, open my notepad. It says, at a malt shop, for every soda sold, they sell 6 hamburgers. If they sold 42 burgers, how many sodas would they have sold? So, 1 soda, whoops. If they sell 1 soda, they sell 6 hamburgers. Right? So if they sold 42 hamburgers, how many sodas is what it's asking. Oops. So for 42 and every 6, so I'm going to divide it by 6, how many sodas would that be? So I'm going to go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, that's 7. So they would have sold 7 hamburgers or sodas. Now I have a new one. It says Janet had 5 times as many dollars as her sister. Janet had $15. How much does her sister have? So I know that Janet, oh, I can just put a J, they all have different. Janet has 5 times her sister. That's S. Janet is $15, has $15. How much money does her sister have? So I can just replace this J here with 15 equals 5 times blank. So 5 times blank equals 15. I know that 5 times 3 equals 15, so her sister should have 3. So this is really making sure you understand what's happening in the word problem, and you can figure out what type of math it's going to be. That's all for June 4th. Make sure you go ahead and finish all of 4 of those and do 5 multiplicative word comparison problems within 100. And if you have any questions, let us know. Bye.